With Mars Rahu combination, you cannot get a house without cheating. There will always be some kind of a cheating, fraud, and the one portion of the house will be extremely large, more than the other houses. Mars Ketu will be one of the portions of the house will be cut, like in a triangular shape or in a trapezoidal shape. And when you buy that property, after that, what will happen? You're activating Mars Ketu. So wherever the Mars Ketu is sitting, that portion of your house, of your life, will be cut off. So you have to be very careful from where you're buying the property and never negotiate while buying a property. Because all the dosh of that bhumi, all the dosh of that earth, all the faults of that earth will have to go to that other person. So do not save money on that. Do not negotiate with buying the property. You're buying the property. Mars tells you how your house will be. What's the land is like. Venus tells you the locality. Mercury tells you the address. Like if you have a Venus in sign of Leo, you have a house either in the government zone or in the marketplace, center of the city. Nice place. Venus in Libra, locality is very rich. Venus in Pisces, it's very isolated, outside city. Because Pisces is outside city always. Exalted. Nice house, but outside city. Whenever you see Mercury is where exactly the position of your house is. What's the address you have? So someone has a Mercury-Mars combination. So Mercury is playgrounds, Mars is a property next to the playground or next to the playhouse. You'll get the house. So the Bhumi, Mars, it is very important you choose your seller. You just can't buy a house from anyone. You just can't get up and say, I will buy the corner house. No, it will not suit you unless you have very good Rahu or Ketu. Cannot live in the corner houses. You can't live in a T-point house with a Mars Mercury combination. It will backfire you.